System to say, hey, are you aware you're driving onto a ferry?
What they say?
I don't know. They're loading it. They have to load the ferry evenly so that the weight doesn't go all to one side and the ship tips over. So they have to do it evenly. So they're doing something inside. They would stop the traffic for a reason. The people marshalling, the marshalers will direct everybody on in the way they need it. Costs a lot to run them though.
It can happen by accident. Ooh. Vending machines. There's just the island. It's the ocean. Oh shit. I will have to say goodbye to this. We're going this way. Go to the car. No, not the car. I was gonna say upside down.
So what you guys doing?
Sitting?
Yeah? What are you waiting for?
To go out of this hotel and go into the plane, into the gates, and into the normal airport.
This is the normal airport.
Out of the air.
How about
Out
you,
of
Quentin? What are you doing?
Good.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Are you going to have fun today? Where are you flying to? Do you remember?
Qatar.
Qatar? Yeah, we're going to be going to Qatar today. That's right. And how about you? You know where we're going?
Zambia.
Zambia, that's right. We're going to go to Zambia at the end of the trip. Should we see what is happening over here? This hotel is really, really nice. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to your friends. Your friends will be watching this. Say hi.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Uh-huh. How about your friends that'll watch it? You want to say hi to anybody?
Hello.
Who do you want to say hi to?
Hello.
Maybe one of your friends like Vaughn will be watching it.
Maybe. I have to send it through emails. Yeah.
Here we have photo shoots happening.
Down the escalator.
I love going down and up the escalators. I would go back up. I would go back up. I would go back up. I would go back. I would go back up.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Somebody else is having fun with their camera. Here we are at the Fairmont Airport Hotel in Vancouver, British Columbia, and this is the view from our hotel window. We're on the 13th floor, and the boys have been having a good time watching the airplanes come and go.
Sugar. Granulated sugar? Oh, look, these are vitamin.
Please. Please. Please.
Wait. It's a little wet outside. This is just the